Xfinity Mobile Phone Review: The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly. Introduction. Are you considering switching to Xfinity Mobile for your phone service? With so many options out there, it can be hard to know which provider is the best fit for you. That's why we've put together this comprehensive review of Xfinity Mobile, highlighting the good, the bad, and even the ugly aspects of their service. Whether you're looking for a new plan or just curious about what they have to offer, keep reading to get an inside look at Xfinity Mobile. The good. When it comes to Xfinity Mobile Phone, there are quite a few good things that can be said about the service. First and foremost, Xfinity Mobile operates on Verizon network, which is known for its wide coverage and reliability. This means that users of Xfinity Mobile can expect excellent reception in most areas. Another advantage of Xfinity Mobile is the flexibility it offers in terms of plans. The service has no contract or activation fees, so customers can easily switch their plan as per their requirements without any penalty or extra charges. Xfinity also provides unlimited talk and text options along with data-only services that cater to different needs at affordable prices. Moreover, all their plans include access to millions of Wi-Fi hotspots across the country, which helps save data usage while providing fast internet speeds. One more positive aspect worth mentioning is customer support from Comcast/Xfinity representatives who are available 24/7 via phone or live chat. They can help troubleshoot issues with devices and provide assistance for account-related concerns quickly. All these great features make Xfinity Mobile an excellent choice for those looking for a reliable mobile network provider with flexible plan options and outstanding customer support. The bad. The bad. While Xfinity Mobile has many benefits, there are definitely some downsides to consider before signing up. For one, the coverage area for Xfinity Mobile is limited compared to other carriers. It operates on Verizon's network, which means it should have good coverage in most areas, but if you frequently travel outside major cities or suburbs, you may experience spotty service. Another downside is that Xfinity Mobile only offers a few phone options to choose from. If you're looking for the latest and greatest smartphone models from brands like Apple and Samsung, you may be disappointed with the limited selection available through Xfinity Mobile. Additionally, some users have reported issues with customer service when trying to resolve technical problems or billing issues. While this can happen with any carrier or provider, it's important to keep in mind that Xfinity Mobile is still a relatively new player in the mobile industry and may not have as robust of a support system as more established companies. While these downsides shouldn't necessarily deter everyone from considering Xfinity Mobile as their carrier of choice, they are important factors to weigh against its benefits when making your decision. The ugly. The ugly. While Xfinity Mobile has a lot of great features, there are also some drawbacks to consider. One of the biggest issues is their limited phone selection. They only offer a few models to choose from, which may not have all the latest and greatest features that other carriers offer. Another downside is their data deprioritization policies. This means that if you use more than 20 GB of data in a month, your speeds may slow down during times of network congestion. While this is standard for many carriers, it can still be frustrating for heavy users. Xfinity Mobile also requires customers to sign up for home internet services in order to access their mobile plans. This could be inconvenient for those who don't need or want home internet services from Xfinity. Customer service can be hit or miss with Xfinity Mobile. Some customers report long wait times and unhelpful representatives when trying to resolve issues with their account or device. While Xfinity Mobile has its advantages, potential customers should weigh these drawbacks before making a decision on whether it's right for them. Conclusion. After giving a thorough review of the Xfinity Mobile phone, it is safe to say that it has its fair share of strengths and weaknesses. The fact that the device runs on Verizon network provides an assurance of great coverage and internet speed. Additionally, having affordable plans with no hidden fees makes this phone a valuable addition in these uncertain times. However, there are also some downsides to consider, such as their customer service, which could use some improvement. Moreover, the limited availability may make it difficult for people outside their service area to get hold of the device. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with good features and nationwide coverage, then Xfinity Mobile Phone is worth considering. But before making any decision, assess your needs thoroughly and weigh all pros and cons carefully before committing yourself to these provider services.